In this video, I want to show you the brake fluid reservoir location on your Volvo S60. So over here, if you open the hood, you're gonna find the engine, and the reservoir is located over here. Now unscrew this cap, and you're gonna notice there is a max line where my finger is, and there's also a minimum line where my finger is pointing right now. You should never go above the max line, and definitely not under the minimum line. So over here, okay, right under the max line should be a sweet spot. I'll put links in the description for the liquid that you need to fill this, okay, the brake fluid that is compatible with your Volvo. Check my links down below, and once you're ready, take the cap back and make sure to screw it completely so it's tight. All right, I think it's tight, and now you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you want to support my channel. Check my Amazon links for the brake fluid, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.